Stoicism, as a philosophy, emphasizes personal virtue, resilience, and inner strength rather than manipulating others' emotions. However, if you're looking to create a strong impression or maintain a meaningful connection with someone using Stoic principles, here are some ideas. Authenticity. Be genuine and true to yourself. Authenticity tends to leave a lasting impression on others. Be present. When you're with someone, give them your full attention. Listen actively and engage in meaningful conversations. Being fully present in the moment can make a significant impact. Virtuous actions. Live according to Stoic virtues such as wisdom, courage, justice, and self-discipline. Demonstrating these virtues in your actions can inspire respect and admiration in others. Self-improvement. Focus on your personal growth and self-improvement journey. Strive to be the best version of yourself, both for your own sake and to inspire others. Independence. Cultivate independence and self-reliance. Show that you're capable of standing on your own feet and pursuing your goals independently. Kindness and empathy. While Stoicism emphasizes self-control, it also encourages kindness and empathy towards others. Show genuine care and compassion for the people around you. Boundaries. Respect your own boundaries and those of others. Establishing healthy boundaries shows self-respect and fosters respect from others. Grace under pressure. Maintain composure and grace, especially during challenging situations. How you handle adversity can leave a strong impression on others. Lead by example. Instead of trying to make someone miss you, lead by example and inspire them through your actions and character. Remember, Stoicism teaches us to focus on what is within our control, such as our own thoughts, actions, and character, rather than trying to manipulate external circumstances or other people's feelings. Building meaningful connections with others should stem from genuine respect, understanding, and mutual appreciation, rather than from a desire to make someone miss you.